1 point. Codominance, both the things are present and they are different. Whereas in incomplete dominance, both of the things are mixed together. So alleles are different in codominance, and in incomplete dominance, alleles are mixed together. Remember this. Okay, so another example for codominance is when a dog or a cat has two different eye colors. One of them would be, brown or brown, and the other one is blue in color. So it would have one eye blue and the other eye green or brown. Okay, so two different eye colors is again example of codominance. This incomplete dominance, it's mixed together to give a different color. Keep this in mind. Okay, students, so we are done with question number 13 and we are going ahead with question number 14. Question 14. What is point mutation? Mutation means change and point is one dot. So at one place there is a change occurring than usual. It is known as mutation. Give one example. So the gene mutation involving a change in single nucleotide or a nitrogenous base is called point mutation. For example, in the case of sickle cell anemia is caused because of change in a single nucleotide which results in substitution of valine for glutamine. So in place of glutamine, valine is formed at what? 6th position in beta globulin chain of hemoglobin, which results in making RBC sickle or point shape instead of what? Biconcave RBC. Okay. Okay, students. So this is your answer number 14.